Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Nivvi's Magic Box. You know about chubby cutie Bernard mountain dogs? Don't know? Okay, I will tell you. More interesting facts about it. Bernard dogs are huge muscular dogs like teddy bear. They are also really very strong. Once they used like rescue people who are trapped or lost in the snowy Alps. Even they used to pull carts in Switzerland. They are super friendly, gentle, and love to play with kids. And they give the best cuddles ever. For more interesting videos, please subscribe. Bye bye. Do like, share, and subscribe.